Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf Outdoor Bar Stool set of 2 is designed to bring a modern touch to your outdoor space. Standing at 31 inches, these stools are crafted to offer both comfort and style, making them a notable addition to patios, balconies, or garden areas. Constructed from durable aluminum, these stools are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing them to withstand various weather conditions. The material is resistant to rust and corrosion, which is particularly beneficial for outdoor furniture. This resilience makes the stools suitable for year-round use, reducing the concern of deterioration over time. The design of the Purple Leaf stools is contemporary, featuring clean lines and a sleek profile. Their minimalist aesthetic allows them to blend seamlessly with a variety of outdoor decors, whether you are looking to complement a modern setting or add a stylish contrast to a more traditional space. Available in multiple colors, you have the flexibility to choose stools that best fit your personal style and outdoor theme. One of the key features of this set is its ergonomic design. The stools come with a comfortable seat height, making them ideal for use at standard bar counters or high tables. The smooth, curved seat design provides comfort for extended periods of sitting, allowing you to enjoy outdoor gatherings without discomfort. The footrest is another thoughtful inclusion, allowing for a more relaxed seating posture. When it comes to maintenance, these stools are also user-friendly. The aluminum surface is easy to clean, requiring just a damp cloth to wipe away dust or spills. Additionally, the stools are designed to stack, which can be an advantage when it comes to storage. When not in use, you can conveniently stack them to save space, particularly in smaller outdoor areas. In conclusion, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Bar Stools set of 2 presents a blend of style, comfort, and practicality. With their modern design, durable materials, and ease of maintenance, these stools are well suited for enhancing the outdoor living experience. Whether you are hosting friends for a casual drink or simply enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, these bar stools can serve as a functional and aesthetic addition to your space.